My vet is in love with me, and he manipulated me to fall in love with him too. Sometimes he would be so excited to see me, and other times he would be so cold by just handing me off to someone else who would jab me with a needle. I go back every year to see him, and I know he just can't wait to see me. Sometimes he even asks me to come in more often than once a year. I know it's just an excuse for him to see me. During our visits, he would run his hands through my fur and tell me what a good girl I was and even give me treats. On the house. Like, he knows exactly what I like. So this is where things really started heating up. One time I licked his face and wagged my tail at him, and I swear he smiled back at me. That's when I knew. I said with eyes, "Oh my dog, I'm in love with you." And do you know what he did? He gave me another treat. I haven't stopped thinking about him since. But at my last visit to his office, he wasn't there to see me. I think he may have switched offices because he just couldn't contain himself. Anyway, I'm just sharing my story to see if anyone else has been personally victimized by their veterinarian.